Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. If I look a little weird, it's because I have all my makeup on except concealer, because today I'm going to be trying out the new Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is said to conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. This retails for $29 and it is half an ounce. Normal concealers are less than 0.2 ounces, so you're getting 2.5 times the amount of concealer for $29. So that's a pretty good deal if this is a great concealer, and we are going to find out. So I am using the shade Snow, and I'm just going to dive in using the doe foot applicator. It's definitely thick, but I'm not mad. Alright, now I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend it out. Alright, the great thing about this concealer is a little bit goes a long way, so unfortunately I used a little bit too much, but the coverage is really nice. Alright, now I'm going to take my Mercier translucent loose setting powder and just set this puppy. Wow, that went on like a dream. I look really bright and rested. Holy crap. This formula is said to not be dry and cakey, and I definitely agree with this guy. Oh man. It says on the bottle it is super coverage, and I definitely agree. I'm going to do a bit of a wear test. I will come back in a couple hours and I'll let you know how this guy looks. Be back in a little bit. Alright, it has been about 5 hours and holy crap, it still looks just as good as when I put it on. As I say in my other videos, my skin is very dry and it looks really hydrating under my eyes. It's not dry or cakey, it didn't crease, and I just look really rested and awake, and I freaking love that. This is definitely a thumbs up. This one is going to rival my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. That is like my everyday concealer. The Estee Lauder is $1 less, but this is 2.5 times the size, so you're getting a heck of a lot more coverage, more brightness, and holy crap, I might have to get some darker shades and use them as contour. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day. Bye.